her. She's standing behind her mama with her little tongue. I can't hardly stand it. As soon as I get her good and wet, I'm gonna put the fan over here in front of her and she'll lay down. It's pitiful. It's 107 degrees. Let's see what Munchkin looks like. Okay. More tongue out. Still panting. You will come lay down. This tiny toot is so tiny and new. She has no surface area to pant. Well, she does, but she's not hot. Okay, May May, she's better. Still hot. Aw, y'all gonna be friends? Yeah? You wanna be friends with June? I've never seen you and Belle really have anything to do with each other. Yeah, that's a good girl, June. Good girl. Yes, you are. Hey, Friday. Did your mama have a baby? Another boy? These 3 yearlings? Oh, heavens, Belle. I was going to say they have 3 different bull or sires, but I don't know where she gets her goofiness from. Benny would never get his head stuck in a gate. Oh, Lord. Now they're going to... Listen, don't push on her. She's not... Okay, put your... Lord, Belle. I don't know how to help you, sister. Do it more sideways. There. You gotta be smarter. Okay, let's be smarter. Are you in a bad mood? You don't usually give me the eye. What's wrong? I know I smell like the stinky kind of fly medicine. I'm sorry. Doris. Hey, and Belle. Oh, you look so pretty. And you look nice and cool in the pond. I knew Elizabeth would wait till I went out of town to have a calf. But from what I understand, she says, no visitors, please. Blaze, I was only gone a couple of days, love. You can come. I was talking to a calf, not cheating on you. Come see Mom. Oh, that's Mama's girl. You're so sweet, Belle. What's the matter? Vivi? Vivi remembered she had a baby over there. She didn't want me to see. Vivi? I'm not going to do anything to your baby. Hey, Peaches. Dottie has been swimming since she was 2 days old. It's okay. Come here, Dottie. Come this way. Hi. Hey, Jojo. Mama put you to bed. Are you fussing at your daughter, Scarlett? Scarlett? I mean, Belle? Belle? Scarlett, I think she's ignoring you. She thinks she doesn't have to mind, doesn't she? Well, tell her. Tell Belle to come over there right now. Yeah. You gonna talk to me instead? I know. I came over here to feed that kitty cat. I know. Hi. How's my boy? Come see me. Well, come see me. What you chewing? You got some gum? Hmm? Oh, that's such a good boy. Yes, it is. He's such a good boy. Oh, I love Trampus. He is a good daddy boy. Yeah. He's a good boy. Thank you for all the girls this year. Hey, Girls Club. Aw. Peaches, I love her dark red. Hey, Dottie. Dottie, you are tall. You're tall like your mama. And Pearl? Pearl, you look bald-headed. But you'll get some hair, don't worry. All your mamas and all your aunts have all these little fluffy hairdos. Well, come on, Dottie. Hi. Hi, Peaches. I'm so happy to pet you. So happy to pet you. Well, it's all right. Come on, Blaze. What, babe? Blaze. Very good boy. Yes, he is. Oh, I love little Blaze. I know. He's a happy baby. Yes, he is. I know. Good boy. He's a good boy. He just wants to play. Boy. Yeah. He's a good boy. Huh? I know it. You gotta share a little bit. Get your baby. Let me get your baby. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, see? That feels good. You can... Hey. Oh, baby. How's the boy? Hi. Busy. Come here. Hey. Come here. How's the little boy today? Oh, Mary. Oh, Lord. Mary Lou, I'll put you in a pen by yourself. And not being able to run wild and free would be a punishment. Come on over here. Belle's a baby. You can go play. Mary Lou, be nice to the baby. There they come. Mary Lou, acting like it's an emergency. Mary Lou's a really good big sister. Yeah, Mary Lou's a good big sister. She says, nobody bother the little prince. It's okay. What you think, Mary Lou? Think? Blaze likes Mary Lou because Mary Lou looks like Mom. Yeah. Mary Lou says she's going to beat up the dogs. Opal let you babysit? Yeah? I hear the thunder. I better go back inside. Yeah, y'all need to get underneath the barn. You need to go under the barn, mister. Yeah. You sweet boy. This is very strange. Little bitty Mary Lou. Look at big Opal, full-grown cow. Here's Audrey, full-grown cow. And Mary Lou, oh, look up her birthday. I believe is 1 year old. She is not pregnant, but somebody is nursing her. It's Coco. Why is Coco nursing Mary Lou? Mary Lou has never even had a baby. Well, you are going to be motherly. I don't even think you've gone in season yet, sister. You can have a baby. Yeah, you can. Just as soon as you get old enough, you can. Okay? You're going to be a good mom. But I don't think you're helping Coco.